In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download historical data in Ninjatrader 8. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab the specific symbols, dates, and intervals you need so your charts, strategies, and backtests load quickly and consistently. First, launch Ninjatrader 8. When it opens, look for the Control Center window. It's the hub where you manage most platform tasks. From there, go to the top menu and choose Tools, then Historical Data, and click Load. This opens the place where you'll request and manage historical data downloads. Next, choose the instrument you want data for. You can search or pick from your existing list. Examples include ES and NQ for futures or AAPL for equities. Make sure you select the exact symbol and contract you intend to analyze. If you're working with futures, keep in mind that each contract has its own data, so choose the correct one for your testing period. Now set your start date and end date. This defines the window of time you want to download. Be deliberate here. Larger ranges mean bigger downloads and longer wait times. If you're backtesting a strategy over the last few months, set that range precisely. If you're only validating a recent setup, select a smaller window to speed things up. Remember that the data you receive will reflect the session templates and market hours available to you. After that, choose your data intervals. Tick data captures every trade and is best for precision and tick-based strategies. Minute data balances detail with performance and is great for most intraday charts. Daily data provides a clean, end-of-day view for swing analysis and longer-term studies. Only request what you really need. Downloading unnecessary intervals can slow things down and consume more storage. When your instrument, dates, and intervals are set, hit download. You'll see progress and status messages as Ninjatrader pulls the data into your local database. Let the process finish before you move on. If it seems slow, that's usually due to the size of the request or the depth of tick-level data. If you notice gaps or missing bars, it often comes down to the chosen interval, symbol specifics, or your data permissions. Once the download completes, the historical data is stored locally and available for charts, market analyzer, strategies, and playback. From here, your tools should load faster and behave more consistently because they're reading from your newly downloaded history. That's it. You've downloaded historical data in Ninjatrader 8. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to double-check your selections before your next backtest.